What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little catch up. I'm doing some unboxings that I have not done in about 2 months. I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay. I'm here today. So last I filmed, I know I mentioned canceling some subscriptions, the Soul Beauty and Birchbox and Allure. I did forget that I paid for the annual subscriptions on all the subscriptions I have. So I do have the rest of the year to fulfill those. So I will still be doing unboxings. However, I will not be renewing them. So this is the Birchbox for February. And yeah, let's just get right into it. This is Fall Back in Love with Your Routine. Very cute. I feel like I need this. So let's see what's inside. The subscription is about $15 a month, and as you can see, it's like very minimal, which is why I think I'm gonna cancel. I feel like Ipsy is such a better deal, especially you get the little zippy pouch. But first things first is the Rem Beauty eyeliner in Midnight Black. I do really love Rem Beauty products. I don't wear black eyeliner too much, but a little bit drier than I expected. I definitely expected a creamier product, so I'm not sure about that. This is the LOC Liquid Shimmer Shadow in Ombre, made in Poland. This actually is really beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on. I do love the ease and convenience of these like liquid shimmer shadows. You basically just like paint it on and then tap it out with your finger. Although this product is nice, the color is really pretty, the shimmer is really nice, it's not super pigmented, very easy to use. There are better products, but that's cute. I do use those types of products a lot. Okay, then is the Way hair oil. A little travel size. I do love travel size oils because, oh, that smells good. It smells like jasmine. I use the Amika Starfruit, and I don't have a travel size of that one, so I do like getting travel hair oils. We do have some vacations booked this summer, so I will be tapping into my little travel supply. I'm putting together some convenient travel kits for myself. Cute. Honestly, the oil, it's very oily. I feel like it didn't really absorb into my hair well, but it did make it super shiny, and it kind of deflated my curls a little bit, but the smell is really good. It smells exactly like fresh jasmine, so that's cute. And then last is the Rem Beauty roller skates. Super funky component. It's like a little astronaut. That's funny. I'm gonna take off my lip gloss. And let's give this a try. Okay, it's not a liquid lip, it's actually a lipstick. It smells exactly like MAC lipsticks. Very creamy. I'm not sure if matte lips are coming back just yet. Maybe by fall they'll make a revive, but color is reminding me of 2016, and I actually really like the packaging. Look at this. It's magnetic, and it looks like a little astronaut. How cute is that? I actually really like that. Okay, so that is what was in my February 2026 Birchbox. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.